Hello, beautiful souls. Have you ever been curious about veganism? Maybe you've heard whispers of its incredible health benefits, or felt a tug at your heartstrings for ethical reasons. Whatever sparked your interest, you're in the right place. Let's dive into this vibrant world together, one delicious plant-based bite at a time. This isn't about rigid rules or deprivation. It's about embracing a kinder, more compassionate way of living. It's about opening your heart and plate to the abundance of nature's bounty. And trust me, that bounty is full of flavor. It's not as hard as you think. Let's address the elephant in the room, the misconceptions surrounding veganism. It's often painted as restrictive and complicated, but I'm here to tell you it's anything but. With a little creativity and an open mind, you'll be amazed at how easy and enjoyable it can be. One of the biggest myths is that it's expensive. While it's true that some specialty vegan products can be pricey, focusing on whole, plant-based foods like lentils, beans, rice, and seasonal fruits and vegetables is incredibly budget-friendly. These staples are not only nutritious, but also form the foundation of countless delicious and affordable meals. Delicious discoveries await. One of the most rewarding aspects of embracing a plant-based lifestyle is discovering a whole new world of culinary possibilities. Gone are the days of bland salads and boring tofu. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with vibrant curries, hearty stews, flavor-packed stir-fries, and decadent desserts, all made with the goodness of plants. Experiment with new spices, herbs, and cooking techniques. Don't be afraid to get creative and put your own spin on classic dishes. The internet is a treasure trove of vegan recipes, from quick and easy weeknight meals to impressive dishes that will wow your friends and family. Exploring global cuisines. Veganism is far from limiting. It's an invitation to explore a world of flavors. Many cultures have long embraced plant-based cuisine, offering a rich tapestry of culinary traditions to discover. From the aromatic spices of Indian curries to the fresh, vibrant flavors of Vietnamese pho, there's a world of plant-based delights waiting to be savored. Explore Ethiopian restaurants and savor the rich flavors of lentil stews served with injera, a spongy flatbread. Dive into the world of Thai cuisine with its fragrant curries, tangy salads, and flavorful noodle dishes. Each culinary adventure will broaden your palate and deepen your appreciation for the diversity of plant-based cuisine. One step at a time. Remember, transitioning to a vegan lifestyle is a journey, not a race. Start by incorporating small changes into your diet and gradually increase your plant-based meals. Perhaps begin by designating one day a week as your vegan day, trying out new recipes, and exploring different plant-based proteins. As you become more comfortable, you can gradually replace animal products in your favorite dishes with plant-based alternatives. Swap dairy milk for almond or oat milk. Try tofu scramble instead of eggs, and explore the world of plant-based burgers and sausages, which have come a long way in terms of taste and texture. Tips for vegan grace. Social gatherings can sometimes feel tricky when you're vegan, but with a little planning and communication, you can navigate them with grace and ease. Offer to bring a vegan dish to share, ensuring there's something delicious for you to enjoy. Most people are happy to accommodate dietary restrictions, especially when presented with a tasty alternative. If you're dining out, don't be afraid to ask your server about vegan options or modifications. Many restaurants are becoming increasingly vegan-friendly, offering dedicated vegan menus or dishes that can be easily adapted. Remember, clear and polite communication is key to ensuring a positive dining experience for everyone. The power of community. Embarking on this journey doesn't mean you have to go it alone. Connecting with like-minded individuals can provide invaluable support, inspiration, and a sense of belonging. Join online vegan communities, attend local vegan festivals, or participate in workshops and cooking classes to meet fellow plant-based enthusiasts. Sharing tips, recipes, and experiences with others on the same path can make the journey more enjoyable and sustainable. Remember, you're part of a growing movement that's changing the world, one delicious plant-based meal at a time. Every step counts. Every step you take towards a more compassionate and sustainable lifestyle is a victory worth celebrating. Acknowledge and appreciate your efforts, no matter how small they may seem. Whether you've successfully incorporated one plant-based meal into your week or made the switch to a fully vegan lifestyle, you're making a difference. Remember, this is not about perfection, but about progress. There will be times when you face challenges or stumble along the way, and that's perfectly okay. What matters most is your commitment to learning, growing, and making choices that align with your values. Your Vegan Toolkit. To support you on your journey, arm yourself with a toolkit of resources and inspiration. Countless books, documentaries, and online platforms offer a wealth of information on veganism, from nutrition and recipes to ethical considerations and environmental impact. Explore plant-based blogs and social media accounts for daily inspiration, recipe ideas, and tips on navigating a vegan lifestyle. Connect with vegan chefs and food bloggers who inspire you with their creativity and passion for plant-based cuisine. Your plant-powered adventure awaits. As you embark on this exciting adventure, remember that embracing a plant-based lifestyle is about so much more than just food. It's about aligning your choices with your values, showing compassion for all living beings, and treading more lightly on our planet. It's a journey of discovery, of expanding your palate, and of opening your heart to a world of possibilities. So, go forth, explore, and savor every delicious bite. Your plant-powered adventure awaits.